Short pocket patching machine. As a powerful assistant for modern clothing production lines, designed for efficient and accurate pocketing processes for shirts, work clothes, and pocket patching process designed for nurse uniforms and other clothing. The power supply uses a one-way 220 volts power supply. Gross weight 400 kilograms. This product integrates a number of innovative technologies, aims to improve production efficiency, simplify the operation process. It is a rare and efficient equipment for garment processing companies. The maximum speed is 3000 revolutions per minute. Greatly improve production efficiency. Humanized control panel. Intuitive operating instructions. Reduce training costs. Up to 3000 RPM speed. Significantly shorten production cycle. Low noise operation. Ensure comfortable workshop working environment. Simplify the production process. Improve overall operating efficiency. Easy to learn and operate the flatbed sewing machine head. Reduce manual intervention. Improve production continuity. Automatic feeding. The needle adopts DBX11 model. Automatic sewing. Designed for fine fabrics such as shirts. Exquisite sewing effect. Sewing range 180 x 180. Flexible response to various size requirements. Precise control of sewing trajectory. Automatic material collection. Whether it is large-scale assembly line operation or small-scale customized production, it can play its unique advantages, help enterprises improve market competitiveness,